Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to Distance Learning Week 3. We are April 13th through April 17th, already the middle of April. Thank you for joining me at the beginning of your class period. Please plan to attend our weekly Zoom meeting directly after watching this video. So it'll be the same recurring link that you clicked on last week on the welcome page on Neo. So let's go ahead and get started with our agenda for this week. So we are starting an assignment that's going to take us probably the next 3 weeks. It's our mass extinction paper. So each week you're going to be viewing a different source and writing a paragraph that will add to your final paper at the end. So we'll go over the mass extinction paper in just a minute. And then you will be watching a movie called The Day the Mesozoic Died. While you're watching that video, you'll be taking notes. You'll then complete a graphic organizer, and then using that graphic organizer, you'll type your first paragraph. So that's all you have to complete this week. So let's go ahead and get started. So what is a mass extinction? So the definition, it says, defined as a time period in which a large percentage of all known living species goes extinct. There are several causes for mass extinctions, such as climate change, geological catastrophes, or even meteor strikes onto Earth's surface. So I linked down there in the corner, it says interesting article on the 5 major mass extinctions. You don't have to read it, but if you're interested in the other 4, you can check that out there. So the mass extinction that we're going to be focusing on is the 5th one, which is the Cretaceous Tertiary mass extinction. So it says probably the best known mass extinction event took out all the dinosaurs on Earth. This was the 5th mass extinction event called the Cretaceous Tertiary mass extinction, or KT extinction for short. Although the Permian mass extinction, also known as the Great Dying, was much larger in the number of species that went extinct, the KT extinction is the one most people remember because of public fascination with dinosaurs. The KT extinction divides the Cretaceous period, which ended the Mesozoic era, and the Tertiary period at the start of the Cenozoic era, which we currently live in. The KT extinction happened around 65 million years ago, taking out an estimated 75% of all living species on Earth at the time. Many people know that land dinosaurs were casualties of this major mass extinction event, but numerous other species of birds, mammals, fish, mollusks, you guys, I don't know how to say that one, whatever dinosaur that is, and plesiosaurs, among other groups of animals, also went extinct. So that's the mass extinction event we're going to be taking a look at. So here's the intro to your paper. So in this project, you'll be presented with 3 different sources to explain the cause of the 5th mass extinction in our Earth's history. Video, which you'll be focusing on this week, audio, and text. While viewing each source, you will take notes to collect your evidence. After analyzing the 3 pieces, you will write a claim with supporting evidence for the cause of this mass extinction. Finally, make predictions with supporting evidence on how we may be currently entering a 6th extinction. Your final claim will include 6 paragraphs, so an introductory paragraph, and then 1 paragraph from The Day the Mesozoic Died, Radiolab Apocalyptical, and Asteroid or Volcano New Clues to the Dinosaur's Demise, and then a concluding paragraph, and then evidence to support the 6th extinction. So it'll be 6 paragraphs in total. We're only focusing on The Day the Mesozoic Died this week, which is the video. Your final claim will be typed, 12-point font, double-spaced, a works cited page included, everything needed to write a solid academic paper. Okay? So again, it'll be 6 total paragraphs, but today this week we're only focusing on 1. So the first thing I want you to do is you are going to open the notes that go along with this video. So they'll say the day the Mesozoic died notes, and you can print those or export them to Notability, and you can split screen and watch this video as you take your notes. I have the link in case you want to open a separate video. You can find it on YouTube, but it's also on HHMI, and it's about 33 minutes long. So you'll go ahead and watch this video and take notes as you go. When you are done watching the video, your second task will be to fill in this movie graphic organizer. Should look familiar. You can go through this with me. I will link a separate video of me going through this so you can fill it out with me. And then the back side, this you're going to see for every single source. So this is the CER reference sheet body paragraph template. So for each of the 4 body paragraphs, we're going to be using the same template to help us write our paragraphs. So we'll be working on filling in this one together using the movie graphic organizer on the front. And then once we have, again, I will walk you through this. We'll do this one together. And then after we have it written, you're going to type your paragraph. So you're going to go ahead and go to Assignments on Neo, and you'll open up the assignment that says Mass Extinction Paper. You'll see a link. You'll open the link. It's going to force you to make a copy. So this one we're going to be working on a Google Doc, and this is where we're going to be typing our entire essay. Again, today we're only typing our first body paragraph using the template we just worked on. Don't submit it because we're going to continue working on this for the next 3 weeks. Okay, sorry, I had to pause. Mason came in and disturbed my recording, so hopefully that wasn't too confusing. Okay, to wrap up for our week, the only assignment that you're going to be submitting on Neo this week is the notes that you took during the video. You can check your answers here. I will link that on the slideshow, the answer key to the notes. We will continue working on the graphic organizer and the typed paragraph as more sources are introduced. So you're not submitting either of those until the very end of the Mass Extinction Paper assignment. So at the very end, you're going to turn in all of the graphic organizers that you worked on and the paper all at once. So I won't be grading those weekly. I'll be grading those as a final project. So again, you're not submitting those yet. You're going to wait to submit them. The only thing I'm getting from you this week is the notes you took during the video. Because of the way the assignment works, I can see your progress on the Google Doc. So on the paper that you are typing your paragraphs on, I'm going to be able to keep tabs and make sure you're doing that. So if you don't end up typing your paragraph, I'm going to be able to see that, and I'll send you an email and say, hey, get on this. You don't want to fall behind. The last thing you want to do is be having to type up an entire essay right before it's due. So if you just do it a paragraph at a time, I promise it'll be much easier. Okay, and that's it. I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. I miss doing our Friday check-ins and hearing all the good things that are happening with you and passing on our good juju. So I'll be thinking about you guys and hoping that you're doing well and enjoying your time. Your homework is just to be a joyful presence around your house this weekend. I know it's hard. We're stuck. We're bored. You might be bored. Might be antsy to get out of the house and see your friends. And I know it's hard. So just remember to try to be a joyful presence around your siblings and your parents or whoever it is that's in the house with you. And then there's my little meme for you this week. We're singing that song a lot with Mason, and I thought that was funny. So I hope that made you smile. All right, you guys, I'll talk to you soon. Have a good weekend.